Idol, okay ba yung ginagawa ko? Before workout, yung mutant kill switch sa creatine. And then after workout, whey protein ng Phyto Nutrition. And then after nun, EAAs, essential amino acids ng PBN. Okay yung ginagawa mo. Parang ang kumain ka lang dyan is nung nag-whey protein ka, doon ka lang nag-break ng fast. Kasi 25 grams of protein yun, 125 to 140 calories. Kasama na yung trace amount of fat, which is 1 gram, tsaka 3 grams of carb. So yun, nag-break ka na fast sa whey protein. And then yun yung parang pinaka-meal mo. Kung ipapalit mo yung EAA, which is essential amino acids, walang calories, tapos saka kang mag-ano, mas mahaba yung fast mo. Pero do what works for you. Tama yung ginagawa mo. And then kung gusto mo palitan ng pagkain, pwede rin naman. Kailangan lang consistent ka dyan sa ginagawa mong routine na nag-workout ka, pasok yun. And then kung mapasok mo lang konting walking o sports o cycling o ano man, talagang gaganda ang katawan mo. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys. God bless. Yeah!